So let's keep looking at complex numbers, but how we can solve with complex solutions. So first to solve, we can subtract 100 to both sides. 4x squared equals negative 100. So divide both sides by 4. X squared equals negative 25. So when we square root both sides, x equals the square root of negative 1 times by the square root of 25. Square root of negative 1 is I. Square root of 25 is 5 plus or minus. So x equals plus or minus 5i. So let's try this one. We want to subtract 48 to both sides. So 3x squared equals negative 48. Divide both sides by 3. X squared equals negative 48 divided by 3 is a negative 16. Square root both sides. So x equals the square root of negative 16 is negative square root of negative 1 times the square root of a positive 16. So that means that equals the square root of negative 1 is I. Square root of 16, the positive and a negative 4. So here we can add up 150. Negative 5x squared equals 150. Divide both sides by a negative 5. X squared equals negative 30. So square rooting both sides. X equals square root of negative 1 times the square root of 30. So x equals square root of negative 1 is I. And square root of 30 is not a whole number, so we're going to leave it as plus or minus the square root of 30 times I. Look at this last example problem. Subtract 2 to both sides. So 8x equals negative 2. Divide both sides by 8. So x squared equals negative 2 divided by 8, which equals a negative 1/4. So if we square root both sides, x equals square root of negative 1 times by the square root of 1/4. Square root of negative 1 is I. So here we have the square root of 1, which is 1. Square root of 4, which is 2. So it's plus or minus 1/2 times by I.